This looks like it's packaged extremely well. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, very nice packaging. So I'm gonna pull this out of its packaging. Wow. Let's open this up. Whoa, there's obviously a protective. Oh, it's a puck. Oh, very nice scent. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this and put it into a bowl. And as you can see, the soap is in the bowl. Here is the brush. Empty. Let's go ahead and do it. Here we go. Nice backbone to the brush. Starting to get that lather that I like. Very nice. I think we're just about done. But you can look at that lather. Look at that. That is amazing. The scent is coming out even more. The soap is getting creamier. All right. I think we're good. The soap was excellent, no problems there. It lathered very well. All in all,